Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. Students, today I'm going to teach you mathematics workbook class 2 and our topic is weight. The meaning of weight is how heavy something is. How heavy something is. Students, open your worksheet book and today we will do worksheet number 4A and the page number is 13. Now, it's about weight, kilograms and grams. Before going to start our work, don't forget to write date and date. Today is 25th April 2020 and the day is Saturday. Now, I'm gonna start reading. Learning to measure in kilograms and grams. kg stand for kilogram and g stand for gram. Student, we use gram to measure the weight of light object. A gram is about the weight of a paper clip. We use kilogram to measure the weight of heavy object. A kilogram is about the weight of a thick book. Remember student, kilo means 1000. Kilo means 1000. So, a kilogram is 1000 grams. Now, I'm going to read question number 1. Color the circle to show if the following bodies are less than or greater than 1 kg. Student, look at this picture carefully. Now, you will tell me the weight of this apple. According to the weight of this apple, we will color the circle. The apple is a light object, so its weight will be in less than 1 kg or greater than 1 kg. Yes, you are right. Its weight will be in grams and it will be less than 1 kg. Very good. You will color the circle. Student, this is your home task. You can do easily in your home. This is very easy. According to the picture and according to the living things and the object, you will color the circle according to their weight. Now, open your worksheet number 4B, page number 14. This worksheet is also about weight, kilogram and gram. Don't forget to write date and day. 25th April 2020 classwork and the day is Saturday. Okay, now I'm gonna read. Estimating grams and kilograms. A gram is used to measure the weight of or mass of very light object. A small paper clip weighs about a gram. A kilogram, kg, is used to measure the weight of heavier object. Now, read question number 1 carefully. Would we use a kg, kilogram or a g, gram way to weigh these? Look at this picture carefully, student. This is a picture of a carrot. Now, a carrot is a light thing, a light object. So, its weight will be in grams or kilograms. Yes, you are right. Its weight will be in gram. So, tick gram. I hope you got it. Student, this is your home task. You will do it in your home. Now come to question number 2. Name any 3 things that we can weigh in grams. Student, you can write 3 things here like your lunch box, your pencil, your eraser or your stationery box. Now come to question number 3. Convert from kilograms into gram. Remember, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Student, this is your formula. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Now, I will explain you this solved example and after that you will do this question. How many grams in 3 kg? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 3 kg is equal to 3 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 3000 gram. Student, you can do rough work over here and first of all you will write 1000 and then 3. Yes student, this is multiplication operation, so don't forget to put sign over here. Now 0 3s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 3s are 0 and 1 3 is 3. Student, in this way you can do this question. Now come to page number 15 and worksheet number 4C. It's also about weight, kilograms and grams, word problems. First of all, we will write date. Today is 25th April 2020 and the day is Saturday. Don't forget to write classwork. Now I'm going to read the question. How many grams in 7 kg basket of apples? First of all, student, we will write formula. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. By using this formula, we can easily convert kilogram into grams. See carefully. Now write 7 kg is equal to 7 multiplied by 1000. Now I am doing rough work over here. First of all, you will write 1000 on the top, then 7, then multiply with it 7. 0 7s are 0, 0 7s are 0, 0 7s are 0 and 1 7 is 7. Yes, 7 kg is equal to 7000 gram. Student, in this way you can do this question. This is your home task. I'm going to read the question. How many grams in 2 kg of cheese? You can easily convert 2 kilograms into grams by using this formula. Okay, now come to question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Student, look at these pictures carefully. These are potatoes. The weight of the potatoes is 5 kg. The weight of the fish is 2 kg and the weight of the watermelon is 3 kg. Now, according to the weight of these objects and fish, you will write here their weight. Like the weight of the fish is 2 kg. The weight of the watermelon is 3 kg. The weight of the potato is dash kg heavier than the weight of the fish. Look at the weight of the fish. It's 2 kg. And look at the weight of potatoes. It's 5 kg. Now you have to find out the difference. It means we will do subtraction operation. Now 5 minus 2. Now take away 2 from 5. 3 are left. Yes, the weight of the potato is 3 kg heavier than the weight of the fish. Now student, come to D part. The dash are the heaviest. Yes, you are right. The potatoes are the heaviest because its weight is 5 kg. The dash weight is the lightest. The fish weight is the lightest. Now come to F part. The dash is heavier than the dash but lighter than the potatoes. See carefully, student. The watermelon is heavier than the fish but lighter than the potatoes. You are very smart, student. I will write here watermelon. And the watermelon is heavier than the fish but lighter than the potatoes. I hope you got it very well. Student, I am going to show you answer key of worksheet number 4A and worksheet number 4B. Student, when you will solve the questions, you will take help from here, match your answers from here, then you can do your work easily. Okay student, Allah Hafiz. I hope you got it very well.